Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's something a little different from my usual DIYs. I will be doing an unboxing. I was sent some craft products from Plaid. So I received this about a week ago, but I haven't had chance to review all the products that I have gotten. I did open this before so that I can see what I have gotten. I'm just blocking off my information here. That's why you see this piece of paper here. And as I said, I already opened up this box. I was so excited when I received this package in the mail. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. So before we get into it, I would like to ask if you can hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell so be notified every time I upload a video. I am super excited because I recently crossed 800 subscribers, heading into 9. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before the ending of September. God's be alive. So super excited for that. So let's jump right into it. So as I open the box, it has some brown paper, and also I think is a list of the supplies that they sent. They were unable to send a couple items, but that is okay. I was just super excited for what I got. So I'm gonna shift the box to the side, and I'm gonna start with some of the items. So the first thing I got was this 3-piece flat brush set. It is synthetic bristles and it's made in China. You do get 1 inch, 1 3/4 inch, and a 1/2 inch. I also got a 10-piece glass painting brush set. This comes in a variety of different sizes. I'm not sure if you can see the bristles and different shapes. You do get 3/4 inch, a flat 2/8 inch, a flat 2 and an 8, also an angle shader, a 1/2 inch, 5/8 of an inch, and a fill bit 2 and 4, round 2 and 4, and a liner 1, which totals in 10 pieces. And to the back, they do shows you how or what you can use them for. I also received some Mod Podge products, and this is the image transfer medium. This is a 2 fluid ounce container, and it comes with one of the foam brushes. This says it dries clear when you use it, and it do have the instructions in the back. I also got the Decoupage Tool from Mod Podge. It says it smooths out air bubbles and press into corners. I am super excited to try these products out, especially this. As you all know, I live in the Caribbean, and it's super hard to get any products from Mod Podge, and if they do have it, it's super expensive. Next, I got one of their 8 fluid ounce containers of Mod Podge in the matte. Super excited for that as well. And the last Mod Podge product is this starter pack that comes with these 5 bottles of Mod Podge. I do get a paper, a outdoor, a matte, a gloss, and a sparkle. So I'm really excited to try these out as well. So on to the paints. I did get a few bottles of paint. I got apple barrel, ceramic coat, and also folk art. So I'll just be taking them out, and then I'll go at them one by one. So as you all know, I do paint a lot of stuff on here as well on my channel, and this is pretty something. I'm super excited to try these products, as I said before. So I'm gonna start with the Apple Barrel Flag Red. These are all 2 fluid ounce bottles. This is the acrylic paint from Plaid. I think I'll just go in order with all the apple barrels. Also, I got it in white. And I think that is all the apple barrel that I have gotten, just those 2. And then is the folk art. I got the bright green in the multi-surface. Also the blue lullaby in the regular acrylic. Daybreak, which is a pretty yellow, in the regular acrylic as well. I got light lavender, which is a pretty light purple in the multi-surface. Also Calypso Sky in the acrylic. This is the shade of blue. This blue is gorgeous. Also in folk art, I did get this multi-surface vivid orange. It's superior coverage satin finish acrylic paint. This is the color here. I also got a brushed metal acrylic paint. I'm super excited to try this. I got it in the gold as well. This was the silver, the brushed silver, and I got it in the brushed gold. So these will really come in handy because I recently purchased some silver and gold paint and they were very sheer, and I had to do like multiple coats in order to get them to actually show up. And I think the last folk art is seashell pink in acrylic. Next I got in ceramic coat, I got this candid coral, and this is also acrylic. I got palmetto, which is a kind of a greenish yellow color. It looks yellowish on camera. I got Lost Lagoon. These colors would look amazing together. They are 3 different shades. Actually, it's 4 if you add this blue. There are 4 different shades of blue. I got surfboard as well. And the last and final one is Calypso Coral. I just want to say thank you so much for Plaid for sending me these items. I really do appreciate it a lot. I will be using these ASAP. I am just super excited. I've been wanting to use this since I got the package, but because with all of the things I had to do at home here with this whole COVID situation that's going on, and I had to prepare my daughter for school for the upcoming term, and all my different home projects, also my YouTube channel, I had a lot of collabs and challenges recently, so I didn't get a chance to play with any of these, and I'm super excited to do that. So I do appreciate the fact that you guys really take the time to watch my videos, comment on them, give them likes, and thank you so much for that, and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.